Brown's Family Fun, and Sadie.
Hi, Sadie.
Card is going to be popping in the video, but that's okay.
Mama, Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
So, we're going to be showing you how to make pizza pops when your mom's busy.
Mommy.
So, first, you'll need the box. Whoa, that actually worked. Okay, let's try. Now you will need a plate. Now, let's read the instructions. So, 1 minute in the microwave. Flip it over. High power 30 seconds to 1 minute. High power 1. And then let stand 2 minutes to complete cooking. Let it stand 2 minutes to complete cooking. Let's give it a try. So now we're gonna put these in the microwave for 1 minute. Then we're gonna flip them over, put them in for another minute. Let's go. Now let's put these in for 1 minute. Now we're gonna flip these. Let's do this for another minute. And it's time to eat. Woo! It's hot. Well, that was fun, but now it's time to eat. Perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.